What? They do exist. They exist. I'm also hungry. After I open this, show everyone what's going on here, I'm gonna go to the BRV screen again, and then I need to install it and go grab my breakfast. This has been here for a while, and I cannot tell you how much it hurt to just have it sitting in a box next to me. Let's unbox, shall we? Stock guinea pig footage? Well, I got all that recent guinea pig footage from when we did Stuart's bath. Let me make sure I actually pinged. I did not. There we go. Did the things I needed to do. I need to do some socials too. Oh, and I need to take some Advil. Don't even forget to take some Advil. Anyway, let's open. I just wanted to tell everyone what's happening right now. This arrived at the ZOTAC USA office, and they wanted to open it. And I told them no, and they didn't. It remained sealed. I can see where somebody tried to peel the sticker open. Oh, I don't care, honestly. Also, it pinged on 3 servers. People get over it. Take the pings and move on with your life. It's a special day. How many times am I going to unbox 5080? The answer is what? You're correct. I hate it. Too early. I'll do it. Um, Also, I couldn't edit the go live notification because I don't have access to that. This is a real GPU, and I assume most people don't know that I'm live at this time in the morning because I shouldn't. Big moment. Maybe we should use this one. Higher quality. Got Was the Cliff command working yesterday? Oh crap! I need access to the account. Yeah, I can't fix that myself. I need to have the actual ZOTAC player for that. Bryant or Jason fix it. Phone pad. That power cable. The new ARGB cable. Nobody's getting one of those. It's already over. Game over. Included GPU stand. I'll rip those up in just a second. Did you? Congratulations. Did you get it online, Jumpstream? Which model did you buy? I really like the way that card looks. Almost much so like the way this card looks. You know how I know it's a real card? Look at all the plastic. Look at all the plastic we get to peel off. Is ready for some plastic peeling. Huh? I don't Can you guys take normal clips, I guess, in the meantime, if you don't mind? Or we can go back later. But yeah. Congratulations, Jumpstream. I'm excited for you. I really, really like the solid OC. It's broken and I need Jason to fix it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's take this one off first. You have to do normal clips. Ooh, that piece goes all the way to the end. So there are additional covers on the mirrors. Go see. That will peel off in the case. Faith makes way. This is what I do. If you ever like, if you thought this was fun, I do ASMR unboxing of all kinds of stuff on my channel. Oh, it's beautiful. Should I go install it? Should we get to some games? Should we launch into the 50 series life? I think so.